Carnal man cannot understand things of the spirit. Do you understand that at Ifediche?
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How you guys doing? It's your friend, guys. I'm back again. Guys, you know I don't usually do this, guys, but there is something we must take care of right now, guys. So this video is about dellysea, Ifediche, okongwo, dibia, guys, and Ebuka. So guys, let's get into the video right now. Let's go there. Guys, this is the video. I'm a known video from Ebuka. So guys, this is the video I'm talking about, right? So let's talk about it. Because sometimes there's a way that seems right unto a man, and all they can care. Dellysea, Ifediche name. So dellysea, Ifediche. Ikwesịrị understand that the man gara na Zion awụrụ a native doctor. Rather, that man was a wizard man. And all they got tired of bewitch people. Often I call them other work, or we decide that go Zion, jeje to Christ. So mana ebema like ro ihe na-eme na awo by isi na ihe a na-eme chezika ihe ụmụazị. Like, what are you trying to say? Enwere ihe dị iche between tradition and a wizard and a witch. Bible says suffer witch not to live. Onye na practice witchcraft and the wizard are not dissenting with onye na practice tradition. And the Ebuka is not against tradition. Rather, he hold against ewu. Ndị lefe mami weta, papi weta. Which all said that those who goes to other gods bring problem to themselves, like increase their sorrow. And it's not him that said it, rather it's the word of God that said it. And it's true, because when you go serving papi weta and mami weta, arobilago, it's all devil now. And you are multiplying your sorrow. So he is not against tradition. A tradition is very pure and sacred. And tradition has nothing to do with all this ihe atụrụ atụ na ihe akpụrụ akpụ, because Bible gwara anyị nke mere onwe gị chi na ụdị ọbụla nke dị eluigwe elu ma nke dị ụwa na nke dị la mmiri n'okpuru ụwa, nke akpọlisi ala enya nke efele ha ofe. In our so God condemn on nwe ije na-efe arịsị apịrị apịla n'ubu anya buke ibere onwe idol na-efia. Bible dey against it, God dey against it. So ọ wụrụ na ije na-eme ihe dị otu ahụ, that means in matter, but there is a truth you need to understand, which you have not understand it yet. So gịnwa na ịbịa here na asị la ihe na-eme na ihe Ebuka that man na-eme na ọ dịzị ka ihe ụmụazị. Because Bible said that carnal man cannot understand things of the spirit. This man in question is a wizard and don't go tired of ihe ọ na-eme, because ọ na backfires here. Obeka onye ndụ ya to Christ, you buru your own bubata. What is your problem? Holy Bible says there is a way that seems right unto a man, but at the end of the road is total DEST. Complete is here. So you gotta be careful. Now he na they speaking on sometimes. Or ya can say can olu. ị kwesịrị ịma ihe wụ tradition, and unu ma ihe wụ tradition, then unu ga-adị free. I have tweeted about tradition in one of my videos. Go there and watch it. Unu ekonu kọwalele people. Onye a na-eme that thing, onye ọbụla na-eme ibia ihe ọjọọ were ọgwụ, o were ọgwụ na-agwọ kasị about na-eme people ihe ọjọọ. Onye ahụ witches and wizards, and Bible says suffer witch not to live. All right? So emezila ụdị ihe a. All right, guys. So share the video, like and comment what you thought, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, guys.